Hello everyone, I am Jayashri. Today I am going to teach you a subject on software engineering. On software engineering, there are some of the modules. One of the module I am going to teach you about the software testing and maintenance. On software testing and maintenance, there are some of the few important questions. The university asks their questions, but today I am going to teach you and the basic of software testing and maintenance. So let's start. Today my topic is the software testing. So I will teach you about what is software testing basic. Then we will understand what's that some of the few important questions that university asks. So let's start. Our basic topic means our basic point is the software testing. Now by hearing the software testing, you must be knowing what's the software testing. Then also I will teach you what the software testing is. Testing is a procedure to verify whether the actual result is same as the expected result. Now what is actual result and the expected result? Actual result means the tester who test in the software product get the output, means tester what they get the output is same as the expected result, means that the user requirement, whether the user requirement has user has some requirement that they must have to get this much output, means they has to get the software product in this quality, in this way, so that the software testing has to fulfill the user requirement. So that's why the software testing is that procedure to verify whether the actual result, whether the getting the result is same as the expected result, is same as the user result. So that's how the goal of the software testing, to compare the actual result and the expected result, to compare the output they are getting from that software product by testing and the user requirement are same. That is what the software testing do. But the main purpose is that to perform assurance, to provide an assurance to the user requirements, so that the software product, so that they can tell that the software product has some quality, means they can give a good quality to the customers, they can fulfill the user requirement. That's what the software testing do, means how they can fulfill the user requirement by getting the bug free from the software product, means they have to that they does not in the software product that must be not any defect. Defect means error which are defected by the tester, means tester have to fulfill the user requirement by removing the bug free from the software product. That's how the user requirement will get fulfilled. That's how the software testing is do. Now the software testing is the defect in this or error, how they get implemented, how they can verify whether the actual result are same as the expected result, that they have to create with the help of the test case, test suite and test data. Now what are this? Test case, test suite and test data. Test case, test suite, test data. Now what are these tests? Test case, test suite, test data. I will explain you. Test case means what? Test case is the collection of the actions which are applied on the software product to provide a specific functions or features of it. So that's what the test case is done. So in test case, the test suite means what? The collections of the test case. Now test case is what means what? In manual testing and automation testing, to run a test case they use a test suite. Test suite means the collections of test case. Means record all the record all the tests which they have done. That are the collections of the test case. That is the test suite. Record all the test case. And test case means the actions that are provided on the software product to check a specific functions of feasibility or a features functions or features of the product. So now test data means what? Test data is that input which are provided in the module which are already present on the software product. And so test data, sometimes it comes in positive testing and sometimes it comes in negative testing. Come as a positive testing and a negative testing. So okay, so positive testing means what? Now what is negative testing? I will tell you. On positive testing, that is the actions which are in a positive testing, that are input which are provided in the input which are putted on the software product, the functions that come that generate a function, the generated functions is getting expected output or not. That is a positive testing. Negative testing means the unexpected input sometimes will come to handle that software product. That's called as a negative testing. That's the positive testing and the negative testing. Okay. Now these are the varieties of the software testing. Testers sometimes the testers have to fulfill the user requirement and get the good quality of the software product. Then they have to create this. Then only they can get the good software product. On software product, there are software testing. There are two types. On software testing, there are two types. One is the manual testing. Second one is one is the manual testing. Second one is the automation testing. Now what is the manual testing? What is manual testing and what is the automation testing? Now remember one point, that is on software testing, whenever tester defect to remove the defect from the software product, that doesn't come a 100% capability of the automation testing. Automation testing cannot be 100% complete the software product defect. That sometimes it comes the use of the manual testing also. So that comes in a two types. There are two types, are the manual testing and the automation testing. Okay, so I will first teach you what is manual testing is. In manual testing, there is comes an a tester. A tester means the manpower. They fully use a manpower. On tester means the tester himself is an end user. Means whenever he create an application, it starts from the login and it end at the logout. From start at login and it end at the logout till it use it use as a his manpower, his skill and his information. And it obviously manual testing is in a high power, high cost. So in manual testing it come as a his skill. So that's why in manual testing it does not use any automation testing tool. So it use a test case, but it does not use any automation testing tool. To run the software product, it use the test case. Okay. Now on the manual testing is main purpose is what? On manual testing, the main purpose is to perform the assurance, is to give good quality to the customer, or is to give good quality of software product to the customer, and also to fulfill the user requirements. And that is how the manual testing do. Okay, that's the main purpose of the manual testing. Now what is the automation testing is? Automation testing means you use your test data, test suite, test case also. In test data means the number of data which are kept in on the test data that are recorded by the test suite. Okay, test suite record all this data and they can replay whenever it needed. Means replay means what? On automation testing, it can replay whenever it needed. Okay, so it can in the test suite it record all the test case which are which are done, so that all testers can be replay whenever it needed. That's the main advantage come in automation testing. Automation testing, it does not replace fully a manual testing, but it can decrease a manual testing. It can use the automation testing tools, and it can use his tools, his knowledge, and he can require or he can fulfill the require of the user. So in this how the manual testing and automation testing combine their work, and they use get the main purpose is that get the quality of the software product in a better and a good quality, and can you fulfill the user requirement. That is how I told you before, the software testing is a procedure to verify whether the actual result that are coming from manual testing and automation testing is same as the expected result, means the user requirement or not. That is how they compare the software testing is do. That is how the tester do. That is how the tester defect how the so defect all the error, means defect all the bug free from the product, from the software product. So this is how the manual testing and automation testing. On manual testing, there comes in a list of the testing, the unit testing, integration testing, acceptance testing. These are the testing main points. I told you before that university asks some of the testing points. So these are the main points that you're going to study further. To study further, you have to first of all learn what is this all, the software testing basic. Then only you will understand what is manual testing and automation testing. I hope everyone must have understood what is manual testing and the automation testing. So thank you very much.